大家好 Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel.
妈妈，我的巧克力呢？
在冰箱里，我会保管好的。
保管在冰箱里不会被爸爸发现吗？
不是保管，是保存。保管不会被发现，放心吧。
Sound familiar? A lot of Chinese words seem simple at first, but when you dive deeper, they can get pretty tricky. But don't worry, we have got you covered. Today, we are clearing up the confusion between words like 保管 and 保存, plus a whole lot more, such as 包含 versus 包括, when to use each for saying include. 比赛 versus 竞赛, which one to use when you are talking about competition. 迟 versus 晚, which one should you use when you are talking about being late in different situations. Today, in this video, we will cover at least 8 synonyms. By the end, you will know exactly when to use each word, and your Chinese will sound way more natural. Get relaxed, settle in, and let's get started. 包含 versus 包括. 包含 emphasizes the idea of containing within or something existing inside and is mostly used for abstract things such as meaning, emotions, information, or content. 包括, on the other hand, focuses on covering or listing all components or members of a group and is typically used for concrete items such as people, objects, or categories. For example, 他说的话包含着两层意思. Her words carry two layers of meaning. So when you are referring to meaning, you use 包含. 你的差旅费包括交通费、住宿费和餐费. Your travel expenses include transportation, accommodation, and meals. 爱惜 and 珍惜. 爱惜 is to take good care of and value something, or to avoid wasting or damaging it. Commonly used with time, resources, health, life, objects, etc. 珍惜 means to really treasure something because it is special or rare, like a precious gift or a meaningful relationship. 珍惜 show a deeper level of care than 爱惜, commonly used with relationships, opportunities, time, life, feelings, etc. 时间宝贵，我们要懂得爱惜, or you can also use 珍惜. Time is precious and we should know how to cherish it. 玛丽很珍惜她和莉莉的友情. Mary treasures her friendship with Lily. So in this case, you cannot change 珍惜 to 爱惜 because we are talking about a friendship, a relationship. 清洁 and 干净. 清洁 means there's no trash, dust, or dirt around. 干净 means everything is clean and hygienic, but it can also describe things like speech or writing that is clear, polite, and to the point. 卧室要保持干净 or 清洁，才能睡得舒服. The bedroom should be kept clean to sleep comfortably. 他的文章写得干净利落. His writing is clean and concise. So in this case, you cannot change 干净 to 清洁 because you are talking about someone's writing. 保存 and 保管. 保存 and 保管 Both has the meaning of keeping something going or to keep it around. 保存 means keeping tangible things such as food, data, etc. safe, while 保管 is more about being in charge of the things or looking after them. 请保存好这些文件 You can also use 请保管好这些文件 Please save these files properly for 保存 and please keep this file safe when using 保管。罗浮宫博物馆里保存着许多世界著名的艺术珍品。The Louvre Museum houses many world-famous art treasures. 保管 has another meaning of I guarantee it or for sure in English, but 保存 cannot be used this way. For example, 这菜是根据你的喜好做的，保管你爱吃。This dish was made according to your preferences. You will surely love it, or I guarantee you will like it. 比赛 and 竞赛。比赛 is used when people compete to see who wins or loses, like in sports or games. 竞赛 is more about comparing who does better or ranks higher, like in school contests or work-related competitions. So, 比赛 is common in fun or physical activities, while 竞赛 is often used in learning or job-related situations. 我昨晚看了一场精彩的篮球比赛。I watched an exciting basketball game last night. So you have to use 比赛。他在学校的数学竞赛中获得冠军。She won first prize in the school's math competition. 迟 and 晚。晚 means late in time, like the opposite of early. It is used to describe time of a day or a general sense of lateness like morning, afternoon, or night. 迟, on the other hand, is used when someone or something is late for an event, deadline, appointment, etc. It's more about missing a time you were supposed to be on time for. 他今天店里很忙，所以来晚了。He was very busy in the shop today, so he came late. Let's compare with 他今天店里很忙，所以迟到了。He was very busy in the shop today, so he was late for the event. 他昨天开夜车，所以晚起了。He stayed up late working yesterday, so he got up late today. You cannot say 他昨天开夜车，所以迟起了。迟起 is incorrect because 迟 is used for being late for an event or scheduled time. It is okay for you to say 他昨天开夜车，所以上班迟到了。当中 and 其中。当中 means among or in the middle of. You can use it to talk about being part of a group or in the middle of something. Or it can also mean being in the middle of doing something, especially in formal situations. 其中 means among them or among the ones mentioned. It only refers to people or things, not activities or processes. 当中 and 其中 are actually not interchangeable because they have different meanings and are used in different situations. 别去打扰他，他还在练习当中。Don't bother her or disturb her. She's still in the middle of practicing. So 当中 here means in the middle of an activity. 他在100多个选手当中表现得最出色的一个。Out of over 100 contestants, he performed the best. So 当中 here means among or within a group. It emphasizes position within a group. 你有那么多包，你能给我其中一个吗？ You have so many bags. Can you give me one of them? 其中 refers to one or some among them. It highlights selection from within a known set. 当心 and 小心。小心 means you should pay attention and be cautious, usually to avoid danger or mistakes. You can use it on its own, meaning you can just say 小心 or with something specific. 当心 means look out or watch out. It's very similar to 小心, but often used when there's immediate danger or something to warn someone about. 小心 can be used as both a verb and an adjective, while 当心 is only used as a verb. When used as verbs, they often mean the same thing and can be used interchangeably. However, since 当心 is only a verb, it cannot be used like an adjective and cannot be modified by negative adverbs like 不 or 没。吃鱼时要小心 or 当心鱼刺。Be careful means 小心。当心 means watch out for fish bones when eating fish. 过马路时要当心 or 小心。Be careful when crossing the road. 他一不小心掉进了水里。He accidentally fell into the water. Let's recap what we have learned in this video. 包含 versus 包括。包含 emphasizes the idea of containing within or something existing inside. 包括 focuses on covering or listing all components or members of a group. 爱惜 means to value and take care of physical things like food or resources. 珍惜 means to treasure abstract things like time, love, or opportunities. 清洁 means there's no trash, dust, or dirt around. 干净 means everything is clean and hygienic, but it can also describe things like speech. 比赛 commonly used in daily life for sports or games. 竞赛 more formal, often used for academic or professional competitions. 当心 versus 小心。当心 often used when there's immediate danger or something to warn someone about. 小心 means to be careful. 当中 versus 其中。当中 means in the middle of an activity or among. 其中 refers to one of them or among them. 迟 versus 晚。迟 focuses on being late compared to a scheduled time. 晚 describes something happening in the evening or at a later time. 保存 versus 保管。保存 focus on preservation or data storage. 保管 focus on safe physical keeping or responsibility. That is all we have for you today. Let us know what you think about this video. Leave a comment and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you.